Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening any kind of app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to tap on the settings icon, so gear icon. Let's tap. Then tap on languages at the top and tap on add keyboard. So right here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. Now, after tapping, you will be able to choose the keyboard layout, and the number of keyboard layouts depends on the specific language. Sometimes you have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to mark the one which you'd like to use and then tap on done. And as you can see, our language has been immediately applied to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So here we've got the information, what we have to do. So we have to tap the language key to change the layout. Language key is right here. So as you can see, we've got this globe icon. And now we've got English. And after tapping on the globe icon, we can switch to the other language. So this is how it works. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So if you wish to remove the language, let's open the settings again, tap on the languages, and here tap on edit in the right upper corner. Mark the language and tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.